Let's help you make your mark.
To ensure all travelers have the best possible Genshin Impact experience, our developers will soon begin performing update maintenance. Because Genshin Impact will be down for about 5 hours, the team at miYoho is offering some compensation. All players who are Adventure Rank 5 or above will receive 300 Primo Gems.
Take our lead.
PC, close the game, open the Genshin Impact launcher, and click Update. iOS, open the App Store and tap Update. Android, open the game and follow the directions on screen. Alternatively, you may open Google Play and tap Update.
Let's help you make your mark.
Click Game Pre-installation to download the latest game resources. After completing pre-installation, when the version update is released, open the launcher again and click Update to install the game directly without any further need to download game resources.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.